Welcome! In today's video, we're going to be drawing the Golden Penguin from Adopt Me Roblox. This is what you'll need: a HB pencil, a black marker to outline, a gold pen if you have one, and an orange marker. Okay, let's get into the drawing. Step 1, 2 circles for the eyes, one bigger than the other. Step 2, we draw the mouth like this. Step 3, now we draw the white part of the body. Step 4, now the rest of the body. Step 5, it's the hair, arms, and feet. Now we color him in. 3, 2, and it's done. And then up above their heads are some names that you could call your Golden Penguin if you have one in Roblox Adopt Me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want us to do next in our video. Bye!